Okay, so I have hazards that don't work, don't go on, my doors don't lock from the inside. I've seen a bunch of different videos using paper clips. Oh, actually, I haven't seen any videos, so I figured I'd do one. I'm going to change it. Instead of paper clips, I'm using, if you have a girlfriend or a wife or whatever, or you just happen to have some bobby pins. These are those black bobby pins. They're cool because they're flat and they're a little stronger steel. So what I did was I took some needle nose pliers, clipped the ends off, those little round ends that look like that. Let's see if we can focus. Yeah, those little plasticky ends. So I took that off, straightened it out, and then put a little bend on there. So that is going to allow me to go in. Yeah, you push the button in a little bit. Just get one in there. And if I can do the other one here, get the other one on the other side, just slide it in there. So what this is going to allow is for me to, I can pull them up now. Ideally do it with two hands. Let's see if I can rest this there. Anyways, you do it with two hands and pull it up. But put one there, and you should be able to pull it up. Let me just set this aside. Actually, I want to see if I can get this done. Let me just demo it with one side. So grab it, pull, get the other side in there. A little better. Pull. There it goes. Pops right out. And as is typical with these, you can see that it's broken right there, so that's why my doors don't lock. So I'm just going to go ahead and, glue epoxy tape. I might just tape this up for the time being and then get a replacement switch later. But let's just confirm that's the problem. I'll put it in first position and press that tight, and whoa, look at that. My doors lock again. Let's see if that works for my hazards. And you see my hazardy things going on, so that's good. So yep, that's it. Real easy. Don't need to take this whole thing off. It's a mess. And if you do decide to take all this off, it's a good time to clean. Get underneath, get the coffee bits, the trap pick and roll boogers that are in there. But yeah, that's it. Real easy. Thanks.